A clinching nut is a revolutionary permanent fastener, engineered for sheet metal applications. Unlike traditional nuts requiring welding or threading, it installs rapidly using press force, creating a strong, reliable threaded attachment point. The clinching nut features a precision-engineered pilot and narrowed shank that displaces host material during installation, forming an interlock. This eliminates heat distortion, secondary operations, and significantly reduces assembly time and cost, making it ideal for high-volume production across diverse industries seeking efficient, robust fastening solutions.